Welcome to Shiny New Clients, the marketing podcast that helps you attract shiny new clients to your business. We'll talk about social media, what makes people buy, how to go viral, and marketing psychology, all in 20 minutes or less. Whether you're a coach, a stylist, or a wedding planner, if you've got a service-based business to sell, this is the show you need to fill your calendar. I'm Jenna Warriner, your new marketing coach, and this is Shiny New Clients. There's no such thing as being inherently good or bad at marketing. More accurately, it's you either learned it or you didn't. It's just like anything else. I think sometimes because we're exposed to so much marketing, especially social media marketing, we feel like we can just be good at it, right? We feel like we're just, oh, well, if I just replicate what that other business is doing that's just like me, I guess that's marketing. But there's so much more to it. I myself am a nerd for it. Also, marketing is a skill, not a talent. It's not something you just like magically are given. You know, I used to really get my back up about the word talent because doesn't it feel, maybe it's just me, but don't you think it feels like talent implies you were just given something, you were just gifted something, you just have some sort of innate ability? And every talent that I've ever had, like singing and acting, I grew up in theater, was actually a skill. It was something that I worked so hard for. Maybe it started with a talent, but it was honed by skill and by my parents paying for me to take lessons and by me practicing. Because marketing is a skill, I'm going to make the most bite-sized of all bite-sized episodes and leave you with homework, like any good entertaining podcast does. I'm just going to leave you with a little bit of homework because one of the big mistakes folks make in their marketing is you're so inside your business. You're so inside your business. You're talking to your clients. You are so hyper aware of what they need that you can lose touch with where your leads are at mentally. So think of it this way. Someone who is a stranger to you, they don't know that you have their solution. They're in a very different mental place than your clients who have got to know you, who trust you, who have started using the same language as you, who have started to adopt your mindset, who maybe realize your system and how you're going to get them to a result. They're in a completely different place than a lead. So one of the mistakes we see people make is getting so inside our business that we forget how to get in touch with the leads who are speaking a different language. Literally, they're communicating with a completely different language and their level of awareness is completely different than yours and your current clients who you're exposed to all the time. This is why when I work with business owners inside my program, Magic Marketing Machine, where I help you grow your Instagram and get clients from your content, I love giving my clients formulas. So whether that's a post template or a messaging formula or a marketing psychology infused hook prompt, like it's a way to break you out of how you are saying things now to try and get you in touch with how your leads need to hear things be said. So let's do a little formula together here. Fill in the blank. We're going to write out a couple sentences. What my clients really want is blank. What do they really want? What do they come to you asking for? Not what do you know that they need? That is a very different thing. But what do they really want? A really good example of this is in like the fitness space. So maybe you want to sell people on healthy living. You want to sell people on longevity and like living forever and being able to play with their grandkids and bend down to the ground and all of that and fall safely. But they're coming to you saying, I need to lose 10 pounds. If they're coming to you saying, I need to lose 10 pounds, and you say, okay, yes, here is my package to have a healthy lifestyle. They go, no, I want to lose 10 pounds. You're like, yes, here you go, healthy lifestyle. They're like, no, that's not what I'm saying. Listen to me. What I'm saying is I want to lose 10 pounds. And then Shelly over there says, I can help you lose 10 pounds. Who are they going to book with? They're going to go to the person that was speaking their language. Now, you and I both know part of their healthy lifestyle is likely going to result in weight loss. But because you didn't sell them something, speaking their language and telling them that you could give them what they need, what they want, they went out with somebody else. Okay? So what my clients really want is blank, is fill in the blank. The next sentence in this theorem is blank stops my clients from getting whatever thing they said they wanted. So what is one thing that is standing in their way? And all your clients, they might be different. You can just pick one person for today and just choose that ideal client, that perfect person, and you can answer on behalf of them. So blank stops my clients from getting that result. Being sold weight loss formulas online stopped my client from getting that result. Getting confused by counting macros and all or nothing diet plans stopped my clients from getting that result. Just name a thing. Name a thing. Because when your most perfect client sees you nail it with a sentence like this, sees you write or say something in a video that makes them go, oh my goodness, that is me, they are sold. They're so sold because they trust you and they believe that you understand them. You could have been saying this a million times, a million different ways, but if you were saying it using your own jargon, from your own level of awareness and not theirs, your own language and your own skill set, then you're always going to have that disconnect in your marketing. You need to be speaking their language. Next sentence. My clients think they need to do blank in order to get that result. What do they think they need to do that is wrong? And they don't actually need to do. What's an action step that they're taking that is not getting them to the result they want, but they keep doing it? Here, let me go. Okay, so what my clients really want is to grow their business and make money. Spending hours and hours creating Instagram content and chasing trends and thinking there's a trick to Instagram that they're not getting is stopping them from getting that. Some of them think they need to sacrifice their integrity in order to sell to an audience online and don't realize they can do it authentically. Some of them think they need to sacrifice their integrity in order to make a sales pitch in a post. But what they really need to learn how to do is speak their ideal client's language, meet them where they're at, and learn genuine marketing skills. Not just Instagram tricks, not just hashtags, and definitely not masculine, pushy tactics that make them uncomfortable. See how it all comes together? I'm going to be honest with you. I am tired today. And I feel like when I'm more tired and I go to record episodes, I'm so much more serious and I have less goofiness, but I do think that this type of messaging formula could transform your business, especially if you've never thought like this before. And this kicks you off and looking at your content a completely different way and looking at your messaging in a completely different way. And as always, if you want to work together, I promise I show up a lot more bright-eyed and bushy-tailed on a normal day. Check out the free training in the show notes below called How to Get Clients from Instagram Without Wasting Hours Glued to Your Phone. I'll tell you all about how I work with service-based business owners inside my program, Magic Marketing Machine, where you can grow on Instagram, get all those beautiful dopamine things like views and likes and followers, but more importantly, figure out how to grow your business, how to get clients from your content, and how to do it all a heck of a lot faster so you don't feel like you're chained to your phone. That's it from me. I'll see you in the next one.